Making that curry chicken. I marinated this about 2 days with that chief curry. If you don't use this, you ain't making the right curry. Me now I know what you deal with if you don't make this. Marinate with that real curry, you know what I mean? My peppers, mushrooms, onions. We about to get it started. As you can see, I started browning my chicken, with a wooden spoon because this can cost too much, man. $400 for the can. But as I said, I put a habanero pepper in there. Start browning my chicken up. Then I'm about to add my vegetables. Let's get it going. See, when I add my herbs, it's starting to get the light. You understand what I'm saying? See, when I start to burn it, we call it burn it, but I don't say brown it for y'all. That's what we call it. But when I start to brown it, you start to see my herbs and my onions and mushrooms, everything starting to sear in there with it. It's gonna cook down. Add my stuff later and get it going, dude. As I said, I'm gonna add my water. See my pepper in the middle? All the herbs and simmer down and sear down. I'm let that simmer for about an hour or two and get back to y'all. It's about to be something amazing. You see that? It's my curry broth. There we go. So as you can see, my curry is pretty much done. I've got the nice curry, made it to a nice gravy. Chicken is nice and marinated, flavorful, the herbs and the spices. Oh yeah, baby, we curried out. Got my rice going. Let's get it going, baby. Let me give y'all the finished product. That's the curry chicken. Even my son know. Curry chicken with herbs and peppers and mushrooms. Nice sauce. We here, baby.